Hi, I'm Tom Clements, the founder and managing director of Maestra. We're here in Dubai Investment Park in our brand new production facility. We founded Maestra in 2014 predominantly as an AV supplier supporting event and creative agencies with premium luxury events. Since then, we've expanded and developed, and we now offer a full turnkey solution: audiovisual rental, fabrication, metalwork, paintwork, and now temporary structures. We have full joinery solution here in our main workshop. We've got a great team of craftsmen here putting together a number of projects for the season. We've just recently invested in a large-scale CNC machine which runs 24 hours a day during the busy periods, and we also have a secondary backup machine, so we're always ready to answer our clients' requests. We've also just invested in a brand new spray painting facility. It allows us to prime, paint and dry in a fully pressurized environment, giving our clients the best possible finish on their projects. We're now pleased to launch our latest product in the region, Show Block. It's a versatile, configurable, block-based solution from the UK that's been a massive success there. The block system allows clients to choose any sort of configuration. It's easy to install, very strong, and can be stacked up to 3 high. One of the benefits of this product is the large clear span glass that can be applied in it. We have 15mm tempered glass of 6 meters by 3 meters. It can be applied to the product advanced in the workshop and sent to site already built into the block. It means quick installation time on site. It means clients can come here and see the build before it goes and do any snags that they need to do. And it means very quick installation on site, allowing clients to save money on the length of time that they're renting a space. We've really built our facility here in DIP with our clients in mind. Our project managers are based here, our production managers are based here, we have a full procurement department. It's all next door to our CNC machines, our spray booths, our AV rental stock, and now our temporary structures. Clients can come here, they can work with the team, they can sit with our designers, they can sit with our AutoCAD detailers, they can come downstairs to our production managers. It's all together in one place. We can fit out, mock up, view, change, assemble, everything here in advance, and make the delivery on site as seamless and as easy as possible. So here at Maestra, it really is new season, new solutions. We've got new temporary structures, we've expanded our workshop, we've got new machinery, and we've got a fantastic team. We really are ready to support our clients in delivering exciting projects across the Middle East.